Here we come to the elevator at Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. This was I originally thought this was on Montgomery, but I realized it's not. Because Montgomery Kone was discontinued in 2000, and this elevator was installed a couple years later. And we are going to have an amazing motor on this thing. All right, let's go on to 1. We got to hear this motor. It's got an amazing sounding motor. All right, here we go. Epic.
First floor. The D going up. So please disregard and don't look at the numbers. We have Dallas, like 49 going around here, so number 2. And we have second floor.
Have a great night.
You too.
All right, let's go on to 1. Sorry about that. People were literally getting on. I had to get off.
First floor. Going up.
Oh, no one called it.
Second floor.
Finally got a good take on this. All right, there it goes. And that's it.